Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market as usual on Monday. So last week this was really very important for us because it provides the new pattern on the weekly chart that brings a lot of clarity and changes the overall situation on the market. So as you can see, last week has become the bullish grabber on the weekly chart, and that's very important because by this action it was really strong action. You can see market has shown the tail closing. This also is a kind of the engulfing pattern, and grabber itself suggests the taking out of this top. It means that maybe we're on a road to the major all-time COP target around 1530. That's our medium-term perspective. That probably could last for 1-2 months probably. So that's the analysis that we will follow in the current situation. So weekly chart tells that no short positions right now are possible on Bitcoin market, at least until these lows are valid. So if market will turn down, taking out of these lows, in this case we could say yes, indeed market is dropping. But until this grabber is valid, we have the bullish context on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, approximately the same story. So if you remember, last week we talked about the resistance area around 10 even, and we said if market will break it up, it will continue move higher because it will enter in a new trading area. So once it was below this level, it's one trading area, and while market stands below it, it could continue move lower. But once it turns up, it turns in the upper border, in an upper part of the market, higher price level, and now it could fluctuate inside of this trading area. And the nearest target that we'll keep an eye on the daily chart stands at 1240 approximately. So that is the XOP, or this ABC bottom pattern. Actually, in the last week we traded the first target OP. It's around 1130. Now this target already has been taken out, the market's coming higher. So it means that in the current circumstances we could keep an eye on the possible retracement, possible pullback with the upward continuation. That's our trading view on the market, on the Bitcoin. On intraday charts, we have our pattern. So you can see this is our ABCD that we talked about. So AB equals CD is fast acceleration. Right now, market stands at the resistance. So this is 618 resistance. It's also stands close to the daily overbought. So maybe we could get some minor pullback, but this pullback hardly will be very significant. And I suggest that we could keep an eye on two levels. The first one stands around 1120. This is the first FIB support from this lows to this top, or maybe confidence support around 11 even, because it also coincides. If you take a look, if you contract the chart, you will see that it coincides with the natural area. Here is also support. Hourly chart is previously resistance was previously support, so it's the same area that already has been broken, and that could become now the support again. So that's the levels we could keep an eye on as a possible retracement before upward action will continue. So maybe market will form here a minor regardless triple to buy or something of that sort as a reaction on the 618 resistance. That's what we'll be watching for on Bitcoin market right now. But again, major picture we have on the weekly chart that suggests action 1240 first as a daily target, and 1530 the next destination point will be on the weekly chart on the Bitcoin market.